I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Oncocerciasis, commonly known as river blindness, is caused by the parasitic worm Oncocerca volvulus. It is transmitted to humans through exposure to repeated bites of infected black flies of the genus Simolium. These black flies breed along fast-flowing rivers and streams close to remote villages located near fertile land where people rely on agriculture. Symptoms include severe itching, disfiguring skin conditions, and visual impairment, including permanent blindness. More than 99% of infected people live in 31 African countries. The disease also exists in some foci in 2 countries in Latin America, Brazil and Venezuela and Yemen. The global burden of disease study estimated in 2017 that at least 220 million people required preventive chemotherapy against oncocerciasis. 14.6 million of the infected people already had skin diseases and 1.15 million had vision loss. Population-based treatment with ivermectin, also known as mass drug administration or MDA, is the current core strategy to eliminate oncocerciasis, with a minimum requirement of 80% therapeutic coverage. At least 12 to 15 years of annual treatment are required in hyper and mesoendemic areas to eliminate transmission corresponding to the lifespan of the adult Oncocerca volvulus. Ivermectin is donated by Merck under the brand name of Mectizan. 4 countries have been verified by WHO as free of oncocerciasis after successfully implementing elimination activities for decades: Colombia in 2013, Ecuador in 2014, Mexico in 2015, and Guatemala in 2016. Globally, 1.8 million people live in areas that no longer require mass drug administration for oncocerciasis. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.